so today I'm going to be showing you a gun review and a toy review. The gun review is going to be here, and then the toy review is going to be in there, in that bedroom over there. So first gun I have is this one. It's my own personal gun, like it's my own personal one. I love it. It's not loaded, don't worry. Some people think it's loaded sometimes. And this is from a real gun. It's a sight. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's off right now. Oh yeah, I need to give it a new battery. Right here. Let's take the hunter clip. And I like it. You can put real guns on this one. And I will show you some more. Well, there are going to be toy guns as well. This is my one toy gun. It's a toy gun. Doesn't have batteries on it. Put in new batteries. And I will be showing you my other guns. These are now no more toy guns. We're not messing around with any more toy guns. And this is my other gun. But this CO2 is out, but I got another CO2. It's out as well. I need to get a couple more. Don't worry, it's a BB gun. Don't restrict this video. I'm sorry, YouTube. But this is like, I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm very sorry if I make this, but this is just toys. These are all toys. They're not real. Don't think so. Because some of these might look real, but they're not. See? No gun has that. No gun can take off of this. No gun has that. It's bigger. A real gun would be like that. My dad found this as a BB gun store. Because BB gun stores are the best thing for me. I like going to BB gun stores. Every day he asks about a BB gun store, I go. Because it's better. Come here. No, you're not. I love BB gun stores. Well, Daddy doesn't go to BB gun store. Shut up. Yes, he does. Come with me. No, he doesn't. Shut up, me. Don't get the video yet, okay? I'll tell you. You love toys more than guns. I like guns more than toys. Oh, and guys, I'm going to show you this toy, but it's not the one I'm about to show you. This is my own personal one. I have two personal ones. One right now it's on safety. It makes the bullet go first, and then it makes it hurt even more.
Can you say hi?
Bullets go right here.
Samir,
No, see, it goes right here.
Samir.
Bullets go right here.
Samir. Can I say hi?
Go ahead. No, just say hi behind me. Don't get in the video.
Hi.
Just say hi.
Hi.
Okay, now you cannot come into the video anymore. No, this time it's serious. And see you weapon.
Sure.
Stop. I'm trying to make a video. Oh my god. And I will be showing you my bedroom now. It's
Yeah, you mean our bedroom?
Our bedroom. It's my favorite bedroom.
That's my bed.
I have
There.
more toys in here than out there. So as you can see, I have this helmet. It's a real army helmet. It's from my dad's army.
Show them my
The
bed.
army.
Show them your bed and mine.
My bed. Serena's bed. Right here. And this is my bed up there. So we have a lots of toys in here and all kinds of toys because we
Wait,
can't.
show them the chalkboard.
And bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye.